Welcome to Pure 1, Chapter 6.2, where this lesson we finally dive into the world of circle, equation of circle. Before we begin, let's test your algebra skills on completing square from GCSE. So pause the video, have a go, complete square with all of them. When you're done with the answer, you can press play. Right, here are the answers, complete square. So just in case you've got how to do this, you simply half that b term in here. So half of 14 is 7, okay? And then this number on the outside bracket is the number you've got in the middle and then square, so 49. So like the other one, half of 6 is 3. And then 3 squared is 9. So you always subtract 9. Always subtract the square number. So in here again, 18 squared is 324. Okay, right, and yeah, so hopefully you do remember how to complete square. If you don't, just go on some other, YouTube videos to have a look at them. But I'm not going to go through it, but you need this for the rest of the lesson. Okay, right. So there are some equations that we've learned. Linear equation, we know they are y equals mx plus c. Cubic, well, actually, that's quadratic. I mean, linear is y equals mx plus c. Quadratic, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Cubic, y equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Today's star equation, circle. So circle looks a bit different, okay? It'll be x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equal r squared. So to form an equation of circle, we'll need two things. So the center of circle is AB. Now there must be a minus inside bracket, okay? And then the radius, so r squared is radius squared. Okay. Right, so we're going to do this. Let's have a look. Example, a circle is equation x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equals 20. Right, so here, rather than the radius and the center of circle, so what we can see in here is, if you compare the right-hand side, that's your a value, all right? Now, but in the bracket of the b is y plus 4. Therefore, b is negative 4. So be careful with that. So the radius is square root of 20 because this means r squared. So x minus a squared plus y minus b squared. The root 20, put in calculator, will be 2 root 5. And then for the center, it will be 3 and negative 4 because the sign for a circle equation must be a minus. The sign inside bracket must be a minus. So minus 3 means a is 3. But if you compare to b, y minus b, but that's y plus 4. So b has to be negative 4. Opposite sign has to be negative in there. Okay. Show 5 minus 8 is a point on the circle. Question B. Okay. So to show 5 minus 8 is a point on the circle, we can substitute 5 minus 8 into the equation. So on the left-hand side, we have got 5 minus 3 squared plus negative 8 plus 4 squared. So 2 squared plus 4 squared is 20, which equals to right-hand side. Therefore, 5 minus 8 lies on the circle. Okay. That's how we prove a point on a circle. All right, what does a circle say to a triangle? Or what does a triangle say to a circle? You're pointless. Sorry, my bad. Lame. Example, AB is the diameter of a circle. Given the coordinates of A and B are 4, 7, and minus 8, 3, respectively, find the equation of a circle. So equation of circle means x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals radius squared. We need two things, okay? Contrary to the straight line needs a gradient and a point. Equation of circle needs the center of circle, AB, and the radius, r, okay? Now, we know AB is diameter of a circle. If we draw a circle out again, okay? So 7, 3 means A has to be on the higher than the B position. And 4 compared to X coordinate means A must be here, roughly B must be here. Okay, so that's diameter, that's the center. Okay, oh, like a Pokeball. Anyway, A, okay, to find the center of circle, center is the midpoint of AB. So which is 4 plus minus 8, half it, and then 7 plus 3, half it, which is minus 2 and 5. That's the center of circle. Okay, radius. To find the radius, we can do half of the distance of AB because AB is diameter. So radius is half of AB. So let's work out AB. So AB is square root of y2 minus y1. So 7 minus 3 squared plus 4 minus 8 squared. 4 take away 8, negative 8 squared. Put in a calculator. You should get 4 root 10 in here. Therefore, the radius equals 2 root 10 because of the half it. Okay, so therefore, the center of the equation of circle, is x minus a squared. A is minus 2. X minus 2 squared. X minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals the radius squared. Right? Therefore, it becomes x plus 2 squared plus y minus 5 squared equals 40. 40. Right? That's it. So what you need for equation of circle, 2 things. Center and the radius. Okay? What makes a good burger? The patty and the cheese. American cheese. Yes. Crappy cheese. Sliced cheese. Yes. Anyway, right. Pickles? No. So, practice question 1, okay, and 2. Pause video, have a go at the question. So spot the coordinates of the center of circle and the radius of each circle in each equation, and then work out the equation of circle with these 2. So pause the video, have a go at the question. When you're ready, press play. Here are the answers. Okay, so the center of circle is 3 minus 1. Remember, the inside bracket has to be a minus. So if that's a minus, you just take this number out 3. But it's a plus, the opposite side, minus 1. Radius is square root of the right number, 9, and that's minus 3, minus 6, square root 11. Question 2, find the equation of circle, 1, 4, and radius 5. So x minus 1 squared, x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals the radius squared. For question B, be careful with this sign again. Negative 3 becomes a plus 3. And then for the radius, it'll be root 10, this whole thing squared, which is just 10. Okay. Next one. Find the center and the radius of the circle with equation x squared plus y squared, this one, equals 0. So to find the radius and the equation of radius circle, we need to turn that into a x minus a squared plus y minus b squared equals r squared form. But this is not. So what we need to do is we need to group the like terms together first, which is the x, we'll put the x term together. So x squared minus 14x plus y squared plus 16y minus 12 equals 0. So what I've just done is just merely rearrange the equation so the x stick together and the y stick together. Okay, just like in a flight, you want to stick with your families when you sit next to each other rather than a stranger, a fat man next to you, a fat woman next to you, taking some of your seats. Anyway, so what we do in here is we want to try to complete a square in these 2. Okay, complete a square separately. So complete the square. Oops. Complete the square. Separately. So this becomes x minus 7 squared plus y plus 8 squared. Oops, I forgot something. I didn't do it correctly. So x minus 7 squared minus 49, nearly forgot, plus y plus 8 squared minus the 8 squared, 64, minus 12 equals 0. So just to color code it for you, this is the 1, this is the second one, and the minus 12 is tagging along at the end. So if we rearrange it, you get x minus 7 squared plus y plus 8 squared, simplify it. Minus 49, minus 64, minus 12 will give you minus 125. So put the 125 to the right side. So x minus 7 squared plus y plus 8 squared equals 125. Therefore, the center of circle is 7, negative 8. And the radius is square root of 125, don't forget, which is 5 root 5. Okay? I bet there's, 2 more questions. Okay, practice question 3 and 4. So pause the video, have a go at the question. Okay, when you're ready for the answer, you can press play. Right, here's the answer for question 3, centers minus 9, 2. Have a look if you're working out. See, I've color coded for you, so I've complete square for each of them. Rearrange it, complete square, and then put the constant on the right side. You should get minus 9, 2, and the radius root 6. Okay, for question 4, your final answer should be minus 13, 28. You've got it right, well done. That's the end of lesson for you. But let's have a look if you don't otherwise. So first thing first, we need to work out the equation of a circle because we know the point P and we want to know. So P gives the diameter of a circle. In other words, you've got P in here. You've got the coordinates of P. You can work at the center, but you don't know Q. So you can work at the center by rearranging and completing square for the equation. So we'll do that. X squared plus 6x plus y squared minus 14y equals 17. So x plus 3 squared minus 9, 3 squared is 9, plus y minus 7 squared minus 49 equals 17. So x plus 3 squared plus y minus 7 squared equals 2. I believe should be 75. So what it means is the center C equals to 3 or negative 3, 7. With sign, so negative 3, 7. So now we know C is minus 3, 7. We know P is 7, negative 14. To work out Q, C is in the center. It's the midpoint of PQ. So we do a reverse midpoint thing. Okay, we do a reverse midpoint thing. So we let Q be XY. So what we know is 7 plus X half it equals negative 3. And then minus 14, minus 14. So the Y coordinates of P minus 14 plus 7 half it. Minus 14 plus Y, plus Y over 2 equals to the midpoint 7. Put in the calculator 1 by 1 times 2 minus it. So X equals negative 13 and Y equals to 14 plus 14 is 28. Therefore, Q is minus 13, 28. And that's the end of lesson. So this lesson, we talk about the center of circle, the equation of circle, and the radius. So the main key takeaway for this lesson is for you to recognize the center of circle, center of circle, and the radius. All right.